In this video, I am going to teach you how to solve this type of intimidating questions without using a calculator. The first thing we do is to split the terms. Let's start with the first term. We can split the first term into 999 plus half. That is the same as 999, it's a whole number, then 1 over 2 attached to it. The second term will be negative. Then we open a bracket, 998 plus 1/3. We can also split it into that form. Then our next step is going to be to distribute the negative sign outside the parenthesis into the parenthesis. Let's write down the terms. Now it's time to distribute the negative sign into the parenthesis. That is negative 998 minus 1/3 or 1 over 3. Our next step is to group the terms. We group the like terms. The whole numbers will be grouped together, and then the fractions will also be grouped together. We have grouped the whole numbers. Now it's time to group the fractions also together. The next step is going to be to do the operation. Let's do the operation. 999 minus 998 is 1. Then we have half minus 1/3 is 1/6 or 1 over 6. It is simply multiplying 3 by 1 minus 2 multiplied by 1 all over 2 multiplied by 3. That is 1 over 6. By carrying out the addition, our final answer is one whole number 1 over 6.